Hello children, it's Mrs. Desoy here, and today we're looking at the 5 times table. Now I know, like the 10 times table, you're really good at chanting it. You can do the song and the dance from the BBC Super Movers, and you know what numbers are in the 5 times table because we know that the numbers in the 5 times table have got a special pattern. Now, who can remember what that is? If you look carefully at my numbers here, you'll see something special about the numbers. Maybe it'll help you if I put them in order. And you can see that every number in the 5 times table ends in a 0 or a 5. So we know all sorts of numbers that can be in the 5 times table. We know that 95, that's a big number. We know that that's in the 5 times table because it ends in a 5. I've got some more here. 140, well, that's huge. And we know that that's in the 5 times table because it ends in a 0. 455, big number, definitely in the 5 times table. 500, definitely ends in a 0. And 8,055, all these random huge numbers we know are in the 5 times table because they end in a 5 and 0. Equally, we know what numbers are not in the 5 times table, because if they don't end in a 5 or a 0, then they are not in it. For example, 72, definitely not. 183, definitely not. 791, no way, Jose. 4008, is that in their 5 times table? Definitely not, because it doesn't end in a 5 or 0. So that's one special thing that we can that can help us with our 5 times table. If it doesn't end in a 5 or 0, it is out. Now, also, we can use our hands. I've got 5 fingers on one hand. Okay, so that is one lot of 5, and that equals 5. Oh, hold on, I need to put my phone down. But can I show you 2 lots of 5? 1, 2. 2 lots of 5 is going to make 10. And if I get any bigger children, I'm going to need some more hands. So perhaps you can find your parents and your brothers and sisters and borrow their hands. But of course, we could use our tiles like we've done before. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of 5 here. And another way that can help me counting 5, 6 lots of 5. I could count them individually, but I could count them like this: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5 lots of 6 or 6 lots of 5. Another way, I've got my raisins in my bag over here. This time I've got 4 lots of 5. 4 lots of 5. There's my raisins. That's 1 lot of 5. Oh, can you see them? I think someone got stuck in there or someone's eaten them. Oh, there we go. 2 lots of 5. Okay, makes 10. All the bags are a bit bigger, but still in. There is another lot of 5. 5, 10, 15. And my last lot of raisins in there hiding. There should be one more in there. I've got 4 at the moment. Ah, there it is. It's got stuck. Another lot of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 lots of 5 make 20. Now, what's interesting is these are the same raisins I used yesterday. And what is interesting about the 5 times table is that it's half of the 10 times table. Okay, so 2 lots of 10 yesterday was 20. And this time we've got 4 lots of 5, which is the same number as 20. So lots of different patterns in the 5 times table, or in all the times tables. I wonder if you can find any more.